Welcome to World Casino Index. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit www.worldcasinoindex.com for over 1,000 pages of casino and gambling content. Can you actually win at slots? Before we answer this question, we must first look at the history of slots and how they work today. Slot machines have existed for over 125 years. Ever wonder why machines use cherries and fruit symbols on their reels? It is because the original machines used these symbols to help conceal the fact that the slot machines were in fact gambling devices that paid real money. Of course, the cherries and oranges were just codes for actual cash prizes. Over time, slot machines have grown more and more advanced. Today, virtually all machines use computer chips to allow for easy programming. The advanced algorithms work in tandem with RNGs, also known as random number generators. You may wonder if your press of the button determines the outcome of a spin, and the answer is both yes and no. The reality is that when you pull the handle or click the button of a slot machine, you are picking a totally random result and you have no say in deciding what that result means when it comes to a potential payout. For all intents and purposes, you are picking a number out of a hat, and then the machine tells you whether that number is a winner, and if so, the amount of the award. Next, let's take a look at some common slot machine myths. A machine is due. Many slot players believe that a machine will eventually produce a large win. This belief is oftentimes the product of a machine that has been losing for an extended period of time. The line of thought is that, since it hasn't won yet, a win must be coming soon. This is simply one variation of what is known as gambler's fallacy. The truth is that prior spins do not have any impact on a future result. Theoretically, a machine can stay cold indefinitely, and trying to time a slot machine win is nothing more than a recipe for disaster. A slot machine is hot. Just as a slot machine cannot be due, it is also not possible that a machine is hot. Yes, you can retroactively look back on a session and say that a machine was producing more winning results than normal, but this is only a product of math and positive variance. We have a tendency to look at results after they happen and draw logical conclusions. This is best illustrated by the description of a slot machine as hot, simply because it experienced positive variance. Tricking the machine. Slot players have many interesting quirks. A number of players think they can trick the machine into producing a win. They do this in many ways: cashing out and putting money back in a machine, taking out their player's card, or changing the interval of time between spins. While there is no harm in doing this for fun, the fact is that the machine is a computer and it does not adjust according to any outside factors. Slot machine facts. Some casinos pay worse. One empirical truth is that some casinos pay worse than others when it comes to slot machines. Generally speaking, areas with more intense competition. For example, the off-the-strip locals market in Las Vegas will pay back better than regional casinos or those in more touristy areas, like the Strip itself. Some casinos follow regulations. Casinos typically follow rules and regulations mandated by their state and or local governments. Nevada casinos, for example, are overseen by the Nevada Gaming Control Board, while other casinos like the tribal properties in California follow much less stringent disclosure requirements. While Nevada casinos provide aggregate payback results and are independently audited, casinos like those in California do not disclose this same level of data. It is important to play casinos that are willing to provide a fair and transparent experience that provides approximate slot payback percentages. Higher denomination, higher payback. Ever wonder why low-limit slot players are so valued by casinos? These machines are the most consistent source of profit for casinos. In almost every case, the house edge will be higher in lower denomination games. For example, imagine a $10 spin slot machine with a 10% house edge. This machine will on average earn the casino $1 per spin. Now, take a $100 spin machine with a 5% house edge. While the edge is cut in half, it still earns 5 times more per spin for the casino, netting $5 a spin in profit. So, can you win? The simple answer is that yes, on any random sample of slot spins, you most definitely can win. With that said, however, the odds of walking away a lifetime winner will mathematically decrease with each additional spin. The most important takeaway is that you should play slots for fun and not with the lone goal of profit. If you expect to profit when playing slots, you'll be setting yourself up for disappointment. Remember, the goal of playing slots is fun and entertainment, and winning money is an added bonus. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to sharing more casino content with you in the future.